Good late morning drawing. Well, that came out wrong, but you know what? This is like the third time that I've created this video because I've stumbled over my words a couple times. I'm just going to go with it. So I know there's not a lot that are on your plates right now because this is abbreviated week, but I did want to throw out to you guys the drawing challenge for this week's sketchbook challenge. I don't normally do it on half days, but because we got two of them back to back, I figured what the heck, it might help you guys out. Now remember one thing here. I know in April you guys are working on an art show where you guys are being asked to do 7 pieces. One of those 7 need to be a finished sketchbook drawing. So this is a good opportunity for you guys to start kind of getting some ideas as to what may be the theme, maybe coming up with some ideas for your artist proposal, which is due towards the end of the month of March as well. This month, the whole month of March, is actually dedicated to drawing fantastic robots, imaginative robots. It's sort of a play on words. If you look up the hashtag March of Robots or March of the Robots, you'll notice there's illustrators from all over the place just simply drawing a different robot creation every day. I've been taking place in this now for the last 10 days, 9 days, and I'm trying to keep this going as a way to try and challenge my I guess, imaginative side. So this week's drawing challenge is simply draw a robot. That's it. Draw a robot, use the hashtag MHS Sketchbook Challenge, or utilize the link at my website and send that in. You have 24 hours to do this, and hopefully this helps jumpstart some ideas for your artist proposal, which is due towards the end of the month of March, March 20th, I believe. So good luck to you guys. Bye.